Hi, I'm Stephen Wilkinson. I'm the Training Director here at Transport Training Services. We're based at Nuts Corner in Crumlin in County Antrim. I want to take you on a tour of our building, but first of all I want to tell you a few things about Transport Training Services. We're the largest training provider of apprenticeships in automotive training within Northern Ireland, and that includes everything from heavy vehicle to light vehicle. That includes parts and service advisors, and it includes body repair and painting. Let me take you on a tour of our building and let you see our state-of-the-art facilities. Come with me. So this is our light vehicle workshop. In here you'll learn how to strip engines, fix gearboxes, do all sorts of tasks that you would associate with fixing a car like one of these behind me. In this workshop you'll find that there's smoke analyzers, and that's a very common thing that you'll find at an MOT centre. So we need to be able to train you up as to how that's used. You'll find a very modern wheel balancing and tyre fitting machine. The tyres are the most important safety feature that hits the road. It's the only thing that hits the road when you're driving a car. So we need to make sure that you're trained how to use them safely. In this workshop it's a real buzz most days. You'll be in here with the rest of your class and your trainer, and you'll have tasks to do, but it's done in a friendly and a welcoming environment. You'll find that the trainers are here to support you. They're here to help you learn your career, and that's at the heart of TTS, but it's a real buzz. You'll love it. The skills you'll learn here at TTS will be directly transferable to the skills that you'll be using in the workplace. You'll be using the same tools, you'll be using the same techniques, you'll be using the same data. That technical data is important to you, so we teach you everything here from the ground up. And this is one of our computer suites. We have 2 computer suites in the campus, and this is where you'll spend a lot of time uploading evidence to your electronic portfolio, but you'll also be doing research. The computers are state-of-the-art. We only got them put in last year, and you'll spend a lot of time in here with your classmates. This is one of our theory rooms, and in here you'll learn everything theoretically about engines, about gearboxes and how they work. So now we're here in the electric and hybrid vehicle training room. You'll see that it's a workshop and theory room all together, but this is state of the art. This is what you'll be working on for the next 20 to 30 years in your career. It's electric and hybrid vehicle training in here, and that's something that we pride ourselves on. We keep our trainers up to date with their skills so that they can train you with the latest technology. So we've shown you 2 of our 3 workshops. I'm going to show you into our last one, which is heavy vehicle repair and body repair. This is where you'll learn all your skills about repairing lorries and heavy vehicle vans. But more importantly, you'll learn new technology like what's behind me here. This is an air brake rig, so we can train you how the air brakes work on a lorry without actually having to get underneath one. This is much easier. Now we're in the spray booth. This is the oven, and this is the type of work that you'll do in here if you're on a body repair and spraying course. The body repair technicians fix the dents in the panels, and the sprayers finish it off. So we're at the end of the tour now. Hopefully you've seen that we've got state-of-the-art facilities, but we've got great opportunities for you here. You've got great tutors, you'll have great classmates, and you'll have great career progression. So call our Careers Development Officer now to book your space, and hopefully we'll see you here enrolled in September.